Hello guys, rock and roll to the world. Today guys, magre-react tayo sa isang American hard rock band. Ang name ng band na ito ay Hunter, formed in 1985 in Los Angeles, California. Let's react guys. One of my new favorite band.
I watch you sleeping and I touch your face. It feels like it's always been this way. But not so long ago I was so alone, lost in this world with no direction or home. My heart was crying, trying to reach out, but I didn't know where, and I didn't know how. Now that I found you, it's a whole new world I've walked into. Now that I found you, all of my dreams are come true. I can't remember just how it began. Wasn't looking for love, I just needed a friend. Came into my life, then everything changed. Now I know I'll never be the same. I threw the dice just like my best friend, but your sweet love saved me from heartbreak again. Now that I found you, it's a whole new world I walked into. Now that I found you, no more lonely nights searching for reasons. Since I found you, my life has new meaning. I only know it's true now that I found you.
Inirelease ito noong 2009. Great guitar solo.
Now that I found you, it's a whole new world I walked into. Now that I found you, no more lonely nights searching for reasons. I found you, my life has new meaning. I only know it's true now that I found you. Now that I found, oh, you know that I found you. Now that I found you. I'll be there. Don't you know it's true?
I think this song is one of the big hits from the band Hunter. So hanggang dito na lang guys, and thank you for watching. It's me again, Joe from Filipino Mura TV. Rock and roll to the world. And if you have two requests, comment down below, guys, and I will try. Rock and roll.